Hey guys, good morning. So today I actually don't have any work. As you guys know, I left my job, so I don't really have anything to do. So today I thought I will vlog the entire day. So it's a self-pampering kind of day. I'm actually planning to get my nails done. It's been a while. I don't even remember the last time I went to get my nails done. And also it's like a chill day with cooking as well, because I have got some help and I'll let you know what it is. So stay tuned for that. And maybe I'll go to the mall, or I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. But whatever I do, you will be coming with me. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair and quickly make my breakfast, and I'll see you after. So Ranch is working and I'm actually running late. I had the appointment for like 12 p.m. I'm not really sure how that nail salon is going to be. This is my first time there, and guys, I don't know, with these salon services I'm really struggling. Every time I have to go and get something done, I have to like look out for new places and just experiment. And do you guys see my ugly feet? I got these gel nails a couple of months ago actually, and the nails have grown and it's in a really bad shape, so I badly need to get them done. There's actually nobody outside because it's a weekday. Everybody's working except people like me. So yeah, just walking. It's 10 degrees. It's lunchtime, and like I said, today I can't be bothered to really think what to make for lunch, what to make for dinner. It's my self-pampering day, but I wanted to make sure that I eat healthy and not order from outside. So this has come to the rescue. It's HelloFresh. So today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. This is the first time I will be trying it and will be giving my first-hand reviews how the meal kits are. And I was actually thinking to try this from a very long time, and then they reached out to me and I was like, okay, this is the perfect time. I think this is a very best option when you really don't want to stress what to cook, and they're like pre-planned recipes which you can choose from, and today I've got 3 of them. Let's see what's inside the box. Classic beef meatloaf with cheddar, chive, smashed potatoes and roasted broccoli. And I'm really excited for this one, herby Italian chicken with pesto salad and green beans. So for lunch, I'm going to make herby Italian chicken. So there are like 6 steps and it's going to take me 35 minutes to cook. So they give you pre-measured ingredients. So let's just take out the first one. And this meal kit we are going to use for dinner tonight. So let's see what's inside this box. So we have chicken, we have green beans, rigatoni, pasta, sweet bell pepper and some herbs. So this is the basil pesto, some Italian seasoning and Parmesan cheese. So let's first do the prep. I'm going to add 10 cups of water. So I'll just let the water boil for pasta, and till then I'm just going to prep the veggies. About this is, even if you don't have like groceries and still don't want to order from outside, this is the best way to go about it. You get fresh veggies, guys, and even the chicken, the quality looks really good. And now we are going to season the chicken. Now let's cook the pasta. Now let's prep the peppers and the beans. Some salt and some pepper. You guys know how much I struggle with cooking, but I think this is a really good option for people like me. And I'm really excited to eat this because it's smelling so nice. Oh my god. Now let's pop it in the oven. So the next step is we have to assemble the salad. I love pesto flavor. Last step, I have to mix everything up. And my favorite, Parmesan cheese. Wow, this looks good. Now let's plate this up. Wow, this looks amazing. This is actually a meal for two because I ordered food for me and Saranj. But you can always, if you're a big family, you can always order meal for 4, 2, 3 according to your requirements. I really can't wait to eat this now. Honestly, this actually looks that a proper chef has come to my place and prepared this meal. It looks so restaurant style, man. Now let's try this.
How's it?
It's really nice, guys. I'm not kidding. Healthy, fresh, and tasty. And if you want to order HelloFresh as well, so here's the code that you can use to get $80 off from your first order. And this includes free shipping as well. So you can get all these tasty meals just at the comfort of your home. And trust me, you won't be disappointed. Damn it. I got all ready because I really wanted to go outside as Saranj is working and I'm all free. I really wanted to go to the mall and get myself shoes because I badly need one. But it's raining. It's actually drizzling outside and I can't go out. So I just have to be home. It was such a waste to get ready, but what can you do? Weather here is so unpredictable, man. But now I'll just be chilling at home. Will probably edit my vlog and just chill. Wow. I really wish I could just do this, you know, not have a job, just do YouTube, just vlog my day, edit the videos. This is the best life. So let's just enjoy it till the time I can. So if you guys saw my 50,000 video, you guys know I have started a join button on my channel. So now you can become a member of PEEKAPOO. Oh! Guess what? There are like 14 members already. Wow, that's really cool. 9 people who have joined the second tier, the real OG. And 5 people have joined the PEEKAPOO fam. So all of you 14 members, thank you so much. And I cannot wait to have a Zoom call now. This is going to be fun. I did not expect this, I swear. Thank you so much, guys. And also, I did not show you how my nails look like. So this is how it looks like. I got like matte blush color and this marble effect here. So they did a decent job. And guess what? How much I paid for my fingernails and my toenails? I paid, so it was $100. Wish I had cash because then I could have saved on the taxes. But after tax, it was like around $113 and then plus tip, whatever you want to give. But for $100, I got a manicure done, pedicure done. But to be honest, guys, if you talk about services, especially coming from India where all of these salon and beauty services are like top notch, wherever you go they would go an extra step and, you know, give you the best services possible. But here I feel it's not that good. Like maybe there are obviously places which does a good job, but right now I'm still experimenting. I don't really have my favorite places yet, so every time I go it's always a new place and a new experience. And till now, I haven't been like really 100% satisfied. So if you guys are from Toronto, let me know in the comment section below if you have been to any nail salon which is cheap. I really want something cheap. I cannot really spend a lot of money on these things at all. For me, this is like such a waste. And also I'll be making a proper video where I'll tell you how much I spend on all these waxing, threading, all these services. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I would love to know your recommendations too. So this is the view from my room. It's all cloudy, raining, but we are all cozy inside. Guys, do you see this? Time to throw all of this stuff. Celebrations are over.
This is an annoying part. We have to go all the way downstairs to throw all this mess.
It's still convenient, Saranj.
Not really.
And guys, wait, I have not showed you this, but I recently invested in some cookware. So these are the ones from Allclad. They are stainless steel cookware. So one of the pot is just here. I'll give you proper reviews of all of this later, but right now we have to throw all these boxes. Let's go. Saranj tired from work. You look really tired.
I am. I just need some rest now. It seems like you're the only one who's chilling, eh? Having fun?
Yeah.
Lucky you.
Lucky you? Not really lucky.
You are. You have nothing else to do, man. You just to chill.
Yeah.
You quit your job.
This is where we need to throw the boxes.
Done?
I'm feeling cold. Let's go inside. And let's see if we have any post. Oh, there is something empty. There's always stuff for Saranj.
These are
Nobody sends me
These are all utility bills, man. Internet bill, electricity bill, water bill.
And also pizza. I did not even realize it's 8 p.m. in the night. So you can very well make out I completely relaxed all day today. And now it's time to get up. And now let's go and make dinner. So I will be making classic beef meatloaf. For some reason I'm very sleepy. Maybe I was just lazing around all day, that's why I'm feeling sleepy. But we have to eat something before we sleep, so let's quickly make this dinner and watch Big Boss along with it, and then we will sleep. So we have beef, some broccoli, some chives, potatoes, some shallot, and some other ingredients. Let's start. And guys, this is an excellent peeler. So if you're looking for a peeler, definitely get this one from Oxo. Very good. And Saranj is also helping me to cook.
The chopping master is here. Chopping is my job. So after my full-time job, this is also my full-time job. Every day.
And now
do with this?
we will put all the potatoes and boil them. Second step is we have to cut this broccoli florets into bite-sized pieces. So Saranj, you have to cut it like this.
Cool. There you go. I'm on it. We don't like broccoli much, right?
Yeah, not a fan of broccoli.
That's why I'm cutting into small pieces so that it's easy to
Eat.
take it inside.
Yeah.
I mean, because it's a business plan, if you have any friends who have a business or who have a GST number who are Uber just give me a minute.
Oh my god, the fire alarm just went off because I think I left the oven for way too long And just when I opened, all the smoke came out. Not good. Let's go back. Let's roast all the veggies. Look how creamy this is. And I'll definitely save all these recipes to make them later on as well. Time to eat. They're so good. And now I'm going to switch on Big Boss and enjoy my dinner. I'll see you next time. Bye.
सिंगर है अपना काम करता है एक